The number you have dialed has been changed.
Nakatakong ako eh. Nakatakong pala siya. Kaya wala, okay lang yan. Hindi dapat yan, umaga pa lang. Oh, bulak-bulak. Dahil nagde-date ko yun, dahil lovebirds. Siyempre ko yan. Paggabi. Grabe. Parang bagyo lang, ano? Handa pa sa atin yung puno.
Bakit kaya akong bayad ng hotel? Kasi isang pugat eh, pwede na kayo dun eh.
Basta pumayag isa sa kanila doon. Pag high maintenance, hindi ba payag?
Nagkumot kayo, camouflage.
Ayan rin kayo, dadamputin kayo. Public display yun. Sira ulo ka ba? Aso ka ba? May ginamputin mga pulis. Kung aso ka, okay lang. Yung order lang natin. Ako, yung dalawa. Kahit subo-subo lang sa atin. Hindi, yung mga chip, ano ba yun? May pang wheelchair yung kuya ng sasakyan niya. Ito, yung Kia.
Yun naman ang dito na ano, na minsan na nakita ko. Yung upuan.
So ngayon, pupunta kami ng fish market. So we're gonna take our lunch there. Yung kuya ko gusto niya ng shark. Yung ate ko gusto niya ng lobster at saka crabs. Ako pwede na sa akin yung mga tira nila. Lego, Lego. So we're here at Cahill to Expressway Harbor Bridge. Dalawang burger, tatlong fries.
Gusto ako makain naman na paano.
Sold.
Dati ko kung gusto ni Jared, pag napalayo na ako, hapon niya.
Uy, Gigi. Hey! Ayan, mga pang-winter nila. Winter collection. Boots. Uwi na. We're going to seafood. Seaside. Lunch. Hello, vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi ka naman dyan, kuya.
$5 adult, $5 kids.
Let's go on skating. We're on skating.
Yeah. Mama, she said yeah. That's Mitch!
We're gonna go ice skating.
Huy!
Let's skating.
Ay, na. Asan na si kuya? Say hi to my vlog, ate. Hi, vlog.
May video, tita.
Ano yan? Ba't ganyan? Sa live? Ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan?
There's a lot of fucking. What happened?
Halika na. Ikaw rin, nagre-record ka rin. I'll tag you. I'll tag you. Your rabbit tooth. Iconic. Oh, baby. Hindi, ayun o yung car. Yung car, ayun, umiikot. Ah! Nagda-date to. Ano natin, ginagawa nila. Moment! Bango. Ate! Taas! So, ayan, kapag weekends, pwede mamasyal, mga libre, maraming open park dito. Nag-invest sila sa more of nature na type of park. Kasi nga naman nakaka-relax, diba? Eh. Bilisan mo! plant of the month. Come on. It's Mitch. That's Mitch! Oh! You ready? Game. Oh! Let's go na, Ezekiel. Bye-bye. Ooh, look at the flowers. Grabe, ang ganda. Saan na sila? Oh, this is the coffee Arabica. Originates from Angola to Ethiopia, large areas tropical upland rainforest. Coffee is produced by fermenting the fruits to remove the flesh when then roasting the seeds. It's family of Rubia. This is the place to be. Maratis lang yung kape. Dami yun. Ayan, sige. Mataas takong. Oo. Ezekiel, bantayan mo yung kapatid mo. Magpipicture kami ng mami mo. Ay, pwede pala ikasal dito eh. Dadaan. Dun daw, sa plug. Ako na, I'll take a photo with you. You just do it by yourself? You can? Send it to Laika. Flowers for you, my baby. Doon pa daw yung rose garden. Doon daw. Nakita ko lang sa signage. Oo, sige. Rose garden. Okay lang ako, te. Gusto ko yung sa wall. Ayan. Yan. Sige, akin na picture lang kita.
Ba't doon na yun the flower, anak?
Hindi, gusto lang niya yung background niya. Water birds. Tell me about this girl. Who's this girl? And then she moved. Bye, white lady. Ayan na ba? Palm Grove Center, shop, restaurant, art gallery. The Galaxy, 5 minutes. Palace Rose Garden, 4 minutes. Ah, yun pala yun. Ezekiel, better if you have dog.
We bring our dog.
You pretend to become a dog. Hey, Pitbull Jared, book. Up, up. Yeah. It's older to us. Maybe 100 years old. I don't know the exact. Look at them. What kind of people is that? It's mirroring. Okay. Dapat dito madalhin si Kyla pag magde-date kayo. Yeah, and then you bring your bicycle. Cute little boot. Mag-picture ka doon. Nakagana na. Naka-rabbit face ka. Naka-rabbit teeth ka. Beautiful girl. Come on, let's go, Josh Mitch. In Indian alphabet, they don't have W. In alphabet of Arabic, they don't have Z. Only Jai. That's why they pronounce galaxy Jalaxy.
Yeah, you wanna go visit the Galaxy?
If you study the history of language of different countries, you will know why they speak like that. It's an advantage for us Filipino because we speak 2 languages. We are bilingual. We can speak both Tagalog and English. You, only English. We speak American English.
Yes.
How about you? You speak Nihongo.
Yeah,
Oh, Balite Drive. Come inside and you will go to another dimension. It's like a hairy.
it's like a bolsa.
Ew. Hairy tail. Hairy tail of a big bat bull. Laki ng puno, oh. This tree is older than us. The name of the tree is Taxodium macronatum. It's a Mexican blood cypress.
How did it come from Mexico to Australia?
They get the roots. The mother roots. Go. Yeah, go there. Go there. Australian Rocky. Sydney Opera. Let's go. Welcome. Ate, ito yung map po. Nandito tayo. Royal Botanical. Pag ganun pa, ikot pa. Tara na. Let's go, baby. Tayo, visitor guide map po. Let's get one. Let's see kung ano nasa loob. Come on. Let's see, hello. Speedboat. Thunder. $50 yan, te. Yung thunderboat na yan. $50. Yeah, ikot-ikot lang kayo. Jared, let's go. Move. Go move, Jared. Jared. Come on. Parang binabalak niyang tumalon eh. Sabi nila din nahihypnotize sila ng water. Go, go, jog, jog, jog. Jogging. No, Sigel! Go, go, Sigel! It's done. It's finished. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye-bye.
All the way until we get to that spot.
Sige.
I'm gonna try.
Go. Move! So ngayon, punta na kami ng Botanical Garden. Kahapon, wala na kaming oras para maglibot. Pwede dyan sa side, pwede dito. Ba't di ba kayo pumunta dito, te? Oo, ngayon pa lang. Pa pumapasok. Sobrang laki daw nito, te, kasing laki ng buong Paramata. Yung sa map. Oh, may barya ka. Uhulugan yan eh. You need to insert coin. Oh, sige, you try. Insert $2. $2 coin. Tara, punta tayo. Laga na, Jared. This is the train. Jared! Magkano kaya bayad dyan? Sa train. Sa train? Hindi ko lang. We're back sa Sydney Opera House. Ito ang Harbour Bridge. At ito naman ang Opera House. So, punta kami ngayon sa Botanical Garden na hindi namin napasok kahapon. So, ngayon, papasukin namin. Oo, gusto kayo mag-and really hurts kayo. And really hurts ang magmahal ng iba. Sa puso ko, ika'y pangalawa. Ayan, dyan yung kumakain yung mga Nag-uubos ng pera. Ganda. Dito tayo. Oh, bloody. Oh, blado. Halika na! Jasmine, siyang arte mo. Come on! So, this is the Market City. Walang train, dadaan lang po kami. Say hi vlog, Esikel. Hi vlog, vlog. Do the rabbits man. Ayan, pamangkin kong makulit na pogi. Yeah, we're here at Market City. So, ayan. Ito na kaming botanical. Lilong. So, yan. Punta na kami ngayon sa Botanical Garden.
Nandito kami sa bagong bukas na food hall. This is the place to be.
Kaya ka. Happy. Go there. Go. We'll go there. We'll go there. Ogi. Come on. Here. Ate! Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Jasmine! Sige, ayaw mo na. Okay lang. Ha? Saan? Hi vlog. Hindi naman. Si Jared, pogi na ngayon. Jared, hi vlog. Okay lang, hindi naman nakita yan. Hindi naman nakita. Pa-playground? Magpa-playground sila? Akala ko botanical garden tayo. Hanggang doon lang sa Bukana, malapit sa Opera House. Oo.